The Packers have scored on 5 of their last 6 drives. 3 field goals, 2 touchdowns. Rodgers with time, down the sideline, has his man, Jordy Nelson. Nelson on his way. .80 yards and the touchdown and the lead.
Watch the double move that Jordy Nelson does on D. Milliner. Does a little out and up. Aaron Rodgers hits it right in that hole again with the safety over the top. Jordy with the cutback, and he starts celebrating about the 20. Doesn't put his hand up till the 10, but he knew he was in at about the 20, 25.
Jordy Nelson, a career-high 190 yards rushing on the day. The extra point is good. There was a tie that didn't last long at all. .13 seconds to be exact.
Well, the Packers are in big personnel, so they've got 2 tight ends. So that means there's only the safety in the middle of the field. There's no other wide receiver on the field for the safety to help out with. Calvin Pryor tries getting over the top. He knows that's the only deep threat. He just takes a poor angle and allows Jordy to cut back for the touchdown. With no other vertical threat on that side of the field, he needs to be helping more over the top to that side, because with big personnel group, you know you've got somebody running with the tight end, so you're not worried about him stretching the field. You need to worry about 87.
That was the rookie, Calvin Pryor, the rookie safety.